center of attention, do you?
I don't know. I think we just gotta do. You okay? Straight on, buddy. Just saying to him, I'm like, we could get 1 million views if the ladies would agree to a drag race.
When did you have to legally wear a helmet in one of these?
That's a good question.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Seatbelt, full roll cage.
I know.
Definitely a good idea when you're out there giving her, but like, you know what I mean, on the day-to-day, if you were just touring around.
I like all the warnings they put on this machine. This machine may not operate like normal machines.
Yeah.
Come on, boys. We're still on a full tank. By the time we get to the other side of this trail, we'll probably down 2 bars.
Back online. Boys are waiting on me. That doesn't normally happen.
She's all or nothing, and she's rough on the machine, but here we go. Man, this is turning into a beautiful morning, though.
So we can. Oh, this is going to be a challenge today, boys. You gotta go ahead.
Shit, this is going to be slick. This is going to be a shitty spot right here.
I'd probably try and stay high.
I know, I really got to stay into that tree there too, though.
Hey!
You want this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should see if you can get out front.
How is he going to do that?
I don't know if he'll get under that.
Oh yeah, you got lots of room. Look, there's 3 feet there.
You guys can't, I mean, look, I need to be in front. Like this, I'm serious. I appreciate this spot.
All right, well there's another one right there. We'll stop right there and that's the last fucking time we're gonna do that.
Okay.
No, I think you're good here if you're good there.
This is no easy fucking thing, I'll tell you that.
Well, we're almost there, and then once we get out the old skeg field, you can let her eat.
Yeah. I'm impressed, actually.
That is impressive.
Quite impressive.
Yeah.
Like we're half of our machine is breaking new trail.
All of it almost.
Pretty much.
Really, because you can't run in a track because you'd be half off the road.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, he's making it lower.
Actually, in case I die, I'm gonna fire ears up. This time we'll make sure it's fucking working. Beautiful.
Oh, the red light's on this time. Wasn't on before.
Oh, you can see it?
Yeah, right there.
Son of a bitch. That's half the battle right there.
Pull her this way.
Probably pull it that way would be the best, Pete. You're probably right.
Oh, he's gonna do all the work. Bitch. Right. Let's rip it apart piece by piece. Look at that visco not working. I'd say the winch is a better opportunity here.
Back up and bury it. Go.
Yeah. We're gonna limit. I'm sweating, boys.
Me too.
Right on. There's how you do it.
Skin a cat, so to speak. Thanks for the help, boys. Thanks, Phil. Fucking A. Oh, that's deep. Look at that, Ian. Jesus Christ.
Wild, eh?
Yeah, Phil really carved that out. Okay, we don't want to be behind that bike. Oh, that's the road. coming out!
Couch is done.
Boys, gotta make sure you're out of the way, eh? Wow. Bang! Yeah, we did. Gonna whip it right around. That's the way she goes, boys. So what do you think about the turning radius on the 72-inch wide Can-Am? Not so bad. Turns on a dime, I say.
Got a good turning radius.
It's not bad. No, you're not running.
Whatever, just set off from what you're doing on the road.
Tons of cameras anyway. Cool. Go. Driving Miss Daisy, he says. Yeah, she's yellow, like a daisy. That's a great name for the side-by-side. Miss Daisy. There you go, Ian, you just coined it. She's Miss Daisy. I like that. Got a ring to her. Woo! I wonder if we might be able to hold high gear for a little bit. It would be nice. It runs so much better in high gear, Ian.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Because really, once you lay into it, I mean, it is snow, so 172 horse is just gonna break.
Yeah.
Break free and scream like Miss Daisy. So who's out in the way? Keith is already gone, is he? No, he's not. Troy and Gordy are already out. All right, let's head out to the lake then, boys and girls. Where's that turn? There it is. Oh, see, they don't turn, eh? They just go straight on out.
Nothing for them to grab.
No, that's it. So you got